I have this amazing product that you can use for the storage solution in your medicine cabinet. So let me show. So it looks like this, and it has adhesive that it comes with it, like this. So you can either use all of it, or you can cut it and you can use a couple of them or all of them, and you can bend it also, like according to your cabinet, so like this or like this. And it is amazing product to save some space in your medicine cabinet. So let's check the use now. So I have a medicine cabinet and I have installed it right here. So as you can see on the bottom, I can also put some stuff. On the wall I have applied this one using the adhesive that they gave, and it is pretty sturdy, so it's nice, and you can store everything in here. It fits all the bottles like this. Even if I want to put more, I can put more. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe.